We are ready. Yeah. Rolling.
Yes. So today we are going to talk about a very different hatke topic, and let's have a bit of fun. ठीक है? A trending topic.
What do you mean by fun?
Fun means I'm dinking something, Raisin.
Ding.
There is a ding going in my mind.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ah. Is it like ding dong?
Nah. Cut.
Sorry, my
Mute.
perverted brain went over there. So,
Nah.
what is ding?
Dink is double income, no kids, or dual income, no kids. So it references.
सही है मतलब दो जन कमाएंगे बस पैसा वसूली लाइक बट टैक्स भी ज्यादा पे करना पड़ेगा ना
छे ऐसा कुछ नहीं
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता
है ना एक जन कमा वही टैक्स है थिंग इज लाइक इट इज अबाउट
तो-
कपल्स और मैरिड पीपल
हाँ।
who opt to be childless so that they have that income and they can do things that they want to do or they feel they're
अच्छा
financially capable to do it like there is this famous reel okay like I'm a dink you know that I'm a dink I get to sleep 8 hours
मैं
no
कब सुना नहीं है डिंग का लाइक
हाँ.
व्हाट आई वाज लाइक डिंग डोंग वो मैं सुना और कुछ सुना नहीं
So, yeah, I'm a dink. I get to save money and I can travel whenever. Or I'm a dink. I can plan my vacations. Or I'm a dink. I can go to movie next minute and I can so many
But
things. Yeah.
tell me how did it start and is it like some revolution or what there was any conflict or some recession what was it
You're right, actually. Recession.
what
So,
what am I right about
the last part.
Okay.
So it started in the 1980s
Okay.
during the recession time, the Great Recession time.
Okay.
So there is this
Any particular country or region or
the US where it all starts, right? The yuppie culture.
hippie?
Yeah, yuppie. YUPPIE. The young urban professional culture.
Oh God,
See
how
the
jargon.
yeah. So basically, it's about even now. If you see people who have the choice to go childless or choose to be childless, will be more towards the urban culture, right? The urban professionals who feel like they can't afford to have kids or they keep delaying to have kids because of financial reasons.
Mhm.
So I don't think if you are in a rural place or if you are in a conservative place, you can make those type of choices where you can
Tell me one thing. It's like if like Gen Z or millennials, they will say like, okay, yeah, it's we are
Hmm.
thinking about the future and all that, but our not our dad or our earlier generations, like forefathers and all that, they used to think, okay,
Hmm.
पैदा करो उसके बाद like देखते हैं like बच्चा करो
Hmm.
हो जाएगा सब कुछ
हाँ you get those advice now also
Yeah.
पैदा करो अपने बढ़ जाएंगे टाइप्स
हाँ.
राइट वो अपने पैसा आ जाएगा भगवान दे देगा
Correct.
या सोसाइटी बट नाउ वी आर मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम दैट जॉइंट फैमिली कल्चर टू न्यूक्लियर वी हैव ऑलरेडी मूव्ड अवे
So you're saying our Indian culture is shifting more towards US sort of thing where we are going to associate like okay just we'll be staying separate and our folks will be staying separate. That's it.
Yeah. In fact, I want to share this Mint article with you, which is they conduct this.
When was it published?
23 2023 okay. Even they have this annual millennial and Gen Z, so the latest one is in 23. And where they say that millennials huge chunk of millennials like out of four, one person is actually not interested in having children. This is again urban India, which can make choice. They have the money, they have the power, they have the choice to make those type of decisions. They don't want children, okay. And even Gen Z's adults, Gen Z adults are saying 23% are saying they're not interested in having children, okay. Various reasons. They feel they don't have the financial capability. Some of them feel that for the environment, already the country India is the most populated country right now, right?
Correct.
So इतना ही पॉपुलेशन है तो उसके साथ क्यों, कैन बी दे आर कॉन्शियसली सेइंग बिकॉज फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट, और I don't feel like I can in this environment I can get up, bring healthy, mentally stable kids. So a lot of people are making those type of decisions.
Okay. So you think it's just like the environment, or
Hmm.
but what about like the ecosystem, even like how the culture, the religion aspect, everything is coming in play, no?
True.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because again, as I said, nuclear families means we are moving to a individualistic society where the individual takes over the uh, before the family decisions would have been taken by the parents, the grandparents, the uncles, the aunties, who would have said, hey बच्चा 6 महीना हो गया, बच्चा पैदा करो, ठीक है? So they would like that force, the community would have forced you. Here the individual decides, okay, if I get a kid into this equation, will I be able to support so many things? You have there are this nannies are there. You will have to get a preschool thing, schools, tuition, education, vaccine, healthcare. So many things you have to think, right?
Okay. By the way, talking about schools, like we have a video, we have a podcast by Shubham Jha sir. So do check it out. The link is there in the description and over here.
Yes.
Also, like to continue the conversation I had, Rashmi, the thing is that I was thinking like,
Mm-hmm.
both the partners passes away.
Yeah.
What happens then?
What
Like
have? Hmm.
the money, like whatever they saved up, whatever the saving, where does it go? Like their parents also passed away. Now they don't have any. Where that money goes? Does it go to government or where does it go? Like because now there's no children.
Yeah.
Who holds those? Like if they have a house and all the money or stocks or whatever.
It stays there. Actually, I was reading one data, but I forgot the numbers. We can give the so many crores. People never nominated any, or they nominated, and the nominees never know about these things. Okay.
Interesting.
Yeah. And these money keeps on lying with the government. I feel some 47 some crores or something was there. You will have to, we'll look up.
I think the right figure. I'll just put it up now. So yeah.
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 So that is other thing, like there is this misconception that you have to wait till your 60s to draw a will. It's always safe, please draw a will whenever you can, because you never know what happens tomorrow, you never know what happens, right? And you draw your will, because even I keep nominating, see, all my FDs, RDs and all, I'll nominate you or I'll nominate my husband Johnny, okay, same with you. But most of the times we'll not know that we are nominating, the other person will not know, or they will not know what to look out for, right? So these money just lies with the government, even for our PFs, so many stuff, right? It just
True.
like EPFs, whatever, it just lies there, nobody knows. So you have, it just doesn't stop by nominating the people, you also have to tell the nominee or draw a proper will.
Cool. So what do we conclude out of this?
Hey, I just wanted to share one FinShots article too. Okay,
Okay.
which I saw this beautiful income, like in infographic, which says about why people opt for dinkness, dinkwood or whatever. I don't know what like dinkwank, ding. Hey, what is ding word? Huh? There's a beautiful word, like I was reading different types of dinks. Okay, so there is this dink ward, which is double income, without kids and having a dog. So that and a dog. Okay, so
What about cat?
dink whack. So,
Oh God.
so I have a
What is
cat.
happening with this world? Oh God.
So if
Crazy.
you have a parrot, it will be dim wap. Yeah, I don't know, like
Peace.
peace.
This I think this data is more averaged out. Like
Yeah, averaged out. Yeah, it's a survey, right? But urban India, who of people who have the choice to go childless, okay, like, or who are planning children, maybe they think, let us settle in life and then we can have
Understood.
kids later on in life.
Cool.
So, very interesting topic. Lot of millennials and Gen Zs are deciding to be dinks.
So, what do you guys think about? Like, are you a dink? If yes, comment below. If not, give a thumbs up. Or are you planning to be a dink or some other dinks?
Or are you thinking about it? Are you thinking about it? Let's
Yeah.
close it, right?
Yeah.
We need
Before
to like
we crack some third-rated jokes and YouTube will just block. Let's block that channel, man. Like, hopeless people. Yeah. But do subscribe for more fun content.
ding say money.
Dil se money.
No,
Not
just-
ding se money. Dil se money.
Dil se money.
Still, it's from heart.
Yeah.
Peace.